Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView effectively. First, navigate to TradingView. Calm and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Choose your desired asset, perhaps a stock or cryptocurrency, to begin charting. Focus on understanding fundamental chart types, especially candlesticks, as they provide crucial price action insights. This initial setup is key to a smooth analytical experience. Now, let's dive into charting essentials. Begin by adding popular indicators such as moving averages or the Relative Strength Index, known as RSI, to your chart. Customize their parameters to align with your unique trading approach. For instance, you might use a 50-period moving average. Next, master the drawing tools to identify key trend lines, support, and resistance levels. These visual aids are vital for technical analysis. Customizing your workspace enhances efficiency. Personalize your chart's appearance by adjusting colors, themes, and timeframes to suit your visual preferences. Next, set up price alerts to receive notifications when an asset reaches a specific level, ensuring you never miss a critical market move. Remember to save your customized chart layouts. This allows for quick access and consistent analysis across different sessions. For advanced users, explore PineScript, TradingView's programming language, to create custom indicators and strategies. This opens up a world of personalized analytical tools. Also, engage with the vibrant TradingView community. Sharing ideas and learning from others can significantly enhance your trading journey. And hey, if you're looking for some seriously comfortable and durable socks, check out the Darn Tough link in the description, along with other great deals. Continuous learning and community interaction are powerful tools for growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.